Edie Beans with a little house of beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making biscuits and gravy breakfast bake. Now this dish is inspired by a recent trip that I made to Cracker Barrel with my niece Alyssa and nephew Sean. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Speaking of products, we are testing out a new lid, Instapot glass clear lid. Now, I am so impatient and I constantly peek into the Omnia oven to see how the dish is baking. Never tried this. We're going to replace the Omnia cover with this see-through glass dish, Instapot, and see how it works out. We do have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans, bing, and our cookbook is available on Amazon, Outdoor Cooking with Edie Beans, link below. It's breakfast time. Let's get ready to make sausage and gravy breakfast bake.